Hello everyone. Am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a great smile. Yes, today we are going to learn a beautiful craft with few waste things. है ना? Because this is time when we really need to remember that what ways we can contribute to betterment of environment. So this is a small efforts towards the direction. So chalo, without delay, let's get started. So here on screen, you can see material needed, some old bangles. Many times we have this kind of rolls, after using use of sellotape, we have this kind of rolls, magic clay, and this is a small base. You can take a bigger one also of cake. When we order a small mini cake, we find this kind of base. You can use CD or a cap, or a plate or anything which you feel is having little hard surface and can bear the weight of bangles. Okay, so I have this. I will be using this, है ना? And chalo, without delay, let's get started. I will give you a little better close-up view. And like why? And this is a Republic Day special craft. We are going to learn and why, how, in what ways, like it is Republic Day special. First, it is going to have tricolor scheme, है ना? So with tricolor, saffron, white, and green, we will try to add few things of that ways. And secondly, like our why we are celebrating 26 January, because on this date, or 26 January 1950, and our constitution came in force. Our constitution gave us right, so many freedoms, rights, but duties as well. Duties first, taking care of litter, keeping our environment clean. And these classes, which we are conducting every Sunday, we are trying to cover up something with which we can reuse waste. It will help environment in the ways that you will be able to reuse things, and you will be able to reduce the garbage, and you will be able to make something meaningful which will save your money, and the quantity of garbage will be reduced, and so your money will be saved and environment will also be saved. Because all these things, like this kind of discarded bangles, and if you will give to Zang dealer, he will not take. So why not to make lovely, beautiful planters or stationery holders or pen holders using these bangles? है ना? So many times, many bangles in which many times the stones, like see in this bangle, you can clearly see. I will make you understand. Now this particular pattern, you can see from here, it has been removed. So now this bangle is of no use, है ना? And many times they are out of fashion. So, and it's beautiful texture, it's beautiful pattern, and it in itself is so beautifully decorated. So, this kind of all discarded stuff we are going to use. If you have kadas, you can use kadas also. Kadas always have a very good impact. Now, so if you have any of discarded kadas, this is called kadas. I will show. I have one, this thick one. This thick one, it is called karas. You can see lovely pattern here, but the inner ring is broken, so now it's discarded. So how beautiful texture, beautiful patterns, and no efforts we need to put for decorating. It's of that kind. And the planters of this kind, they look amazing. You can make it, and afterwards you can put your small planter with hydroponic plants, like in a small plastic bottle. You can cut, fill water, and grow money plant and put it inside, and it will look a colorful planter. So, for special days in your school, at the place of giving greeting cards, think about it. It is going to give you very good impact. And we will be adding some flowers with clay. And I will love to teach with paper also. Okay, so today's class is going to be very wonderful class in which you will be learning little craft with paper. Don't worry if you don't have colorful paper. We will use a brush pen and we simply need some circles. है ना? So kind of rose we will make with clay. We will make with leaves also. I will try to make with clay as well, and with this also. And we will assemble. So are you ready? Show me a thumbs up with smile. Yes, thumbs up with smile. Badi wali smile. And I believe that when you will be happy, your work will be happy. And your life state reflect in whatever you do. So not only this art and craft, whatever you're doing, start it with badi wali smile. So come on, show me your thumbs up with badi wali smile. है ना? बड़ी वाली स्माइल में आप अपने दांतों को दिखा सकते हैं. Yes, cheerful smile. Yes, because today, है ना, you and me, we are taking a step towards saving our environment, our mother nature. Can you imagine if we all together start reusing stuff how much of garbage we will be able to recycle and reuse. है ना? So chalo, let's get started. So today's craft is extremely simple and let's get started with. So are you ready with all the material? Yeah? Okay. Many times you don't have karas, but this kind of rolls. And this kind of rolls, when you use sellotape, so this kind of inner roll is left. So how thick it is. So two rolls and one planter is ready. You are supposed to paste it over. So this is also could be used. Chalo, so let's get started. And this is called kada. And this kind of bangles are called kada. And many times this kind of kadas also we have, so you can use them also. Chalo, to now let's get started. So as we are going to, as today's artwork is Republic Day special, first you will find out base. So this is a base of cake. And a small mini cake when you order, so you find this kind of thick base. You can use CD also for this. What you have for making base, show me. You can take a disposable plate. And if you have any plate of disposable cake or thick cardboard or wedding cardboard or anything, it should be thick enough because on this we are going to make it. And we will make a pile of bangles over it. It should be strong enough so that you can pick it up and keep on one on another side. Okay? So show me what you have. A cap of disposable CD. Like CD is a like eco is a digital waste, e-waste. So yes, I can see if you are having plates, we are having base of cakes. Base of cake, never throw. It's very useful. Very good. So chalo now, let's get started. Now, if you want to make stationery holder, what you can do, if you're using CD, you can take sellotape and you can put on that circle. Because if you will keep pens or pencils, it will go out otherwise. Huh? So you simply pack it using sellotape, piece of sellotape, and that circle which we have now, you simply put it over. Okay. Now we need Favicol and we will make pile of it. So now I will first select my bangles and I will arrange in proper ways so that they all will look great. So see, I have so many discarded bangles which are out of fashion. And if you feel your base is big, you want to make two stands, and one is flat in which you can keep erasers and all, one in which you can keep pen, pencils, one in which you can keep your colorful pen. So you can make three piles out of it. So I'm going to make one, but this ways you can make many. So say saffron green we have, if you will add white or you will paint it with acrylic color with white, so in itself it will become a tricolor artwork. So chalo, first I will decide in what arrangement, in what ways I will be arranging them. Okay? So yeah, first find out and make sure that they all should be of same size. If some are big, some are small, then it will not turn up well. So here I will decide its arrangement. I will show you, don't worry. Okay, so yeah, here you can see I can go this ways. If you want to keep two red, one yellow, this it is completely your choice what ways you want to keep. Suppose two red, one yellow, two red, one yellow, and you want to go with this combination, you can go with this combination also. So here we mix and match. Or if you feel that all yellow on one side, all red on one side, if you have saffron, white, and green, you can take them or you can paint it also. And if you don't want to add anything and you simply want to paint it this way, see, this is the combination and this bangle is again of the same size. So I can take this also. Kada. Kana? Yeah. And this is the way we will start making a pile of it. And can you imagine, like, when you will put a small pot, suppose this is a plastic container, you keep it inside and grow a plant. Outside, it's looking so beautiful because of beautiful patterns of bangles. So, chalo, without delay, let's get started. And these all are little bigger in size. These bangles are comparatively bigger in size. Yes, okay. So you can make a pile of this also. Two stand you can make. These are little bigger. Make sure while making it, the sizes should be same. If small and big, so it will not turn up well. Okay, so shall we start? And I have some beautiful discarded karas also. These are also karas, which are, can you see? Such lovely, um, but here the corner has been broken, so they are of no use. So even this could be used. Anything you like, you feel like to put, you can. So here we can even start with this, and we can do the pasting of bangles accordingly and finish. So chalo, let's get started with the pasting part. Okay. Yeah. So what we are going to do, first you will decide. So first you will decide the combination. You will decide the combination and what arrangement you want to put. Okay. Come on. And if you feel like to take karas only, then you can take kara on also. It's completely your choice what ways you want to make it looking beautiful. Yes. So chalo, let's get started. I have these 4 discarded karas, है ना? Because in each of them, little pattern of inside and the corners are broken, and it has become very sharp. So let's get started. So what very first thing you will do, you will take a base, a surface. And what is this? This is a thick base of a cake. When you order a small cake, so you find this kind of base. So I will select this for making. And the very first thing you will start making pile of it. So see, I selected these 4. Okay. But if you feel that you want to add one bangle also, so whatever you have, and make sure they all should be of same size. Okay. And we will start doing pasting. So show me your material which you will be pasting on each other. Yes. Yeah. So if you have very few, okay, you have 4 to 5. Okay. So see, if you have 4 to 5 bangles, not to worry. You start making pile. Afterwards, you can collect many more and you can make pile. You can make your pile bigger. Not to worry. Okay. So if you have few in number, you can start making it. Okay. So shall we start? Yes. Show me thumbs up. Thumbs up with a smile. Every time thumbs up with a smile. Yes. Okay. So chalo. Because today you are working, you are acting like a warrior, like a soldier. Soldiers are not only those who are standing on border and fighting with enemies. Those who are fighting with inner, like pollution and this kind of enemies, they are also soldier. And today, in true sense, we are learning how to celebrate Ganatantra Divas, that is Republic Day. So what I will do, I will take Fevicol and my first layer. Now orange, blue. This way, I will be going with the combination. So first is going to be orange. What I will do, I will take Fevicol with help of earbud or if you have, and I will put it all around and in enough quantity. Make sure you will apply it in enough quantity on the tip. And after that, we will keep it on one side and we will start preparing our flowers, tricolor flowers. So here you can see you will be, yeah, you will simply place it over. Like here, the sticker was there. So I will in center. If you feel you want to make little decorative part, so you can keep more bigger part outside and one after another. Now, place your, decide where you want to place it. So here you can clearly see, I will give you a little more closer view so that you can clearly see that. And when you order birthday cake, this kind of material also again always come with your birthday cake. So after celebrating birthday, keep it on one side. We will use this cutout for making birthday cards. Okay. So and even birthday knife, birthday candles. They are amazing material for making lovely birthday cards. Okay. So we will definitely cover up that also, in which you can use all leftover material of birthday decoration and all. Okay. Now, what you will do, you will, and we have a story. Every artwork is having a beautiful story. Okay. Now, second step is you will put your Fevicol on it. You will not remove your bangle very carefully. You will put Fevicol and make sure your layers of Fevicol should be thick enough. If you will put very less Fevicol, then what will happen? It will collapse. And after getting dry, it can collapse. As this is layer after layer, so each layer should be nicely pasted. Suppose your upper layers are nicely pasted, but lower layer is weak. So what will happen? Your whole structure will collapse. So see, this is the way you will start it. So today's story is of few children, and see. So these children, they in their colony, like they were living in colony, which were having, and here you can see. I will show you with see. This phase, the piles over each other are happening, and we will make it over each other. If you have 5 bangles, 6 bangles, 12 bangles, you will decide the height. If you want to make a very flat kind of, like here for keeping, many times you want to keep a jewelry or a golden coin, so you can simply make lid and it will become a small dibbi and a small beautiful container for keeping your like packing is very important these days. Then give the how what ways so for making small decorative bin dibbis also you can make small containers, decorative containers also. These bangles could be used for that. So in that, a small pile is needed, not a bigger one. I will put Fevicol again, and I will simply, now I will put orange, these all karas, you know, which were broken, and like see how beautifully I will be using them, and a lovely planter would be ready. Layer after layer. It's very simple. And here, like we are going to decorate it with flowers and all. But if you don't want to, in itself, it's a masterpiece because the bangles which you are putting, they are having such lovely patterns. And together, they will give you colorful, textured surface for growing your plant. See this ways, you will be, yeah. And see, I will try to show. See, this is that kind of pile. I will not, and otherwise, and make sure it should be nicely arranged on each other. And very nicely, carefully. And now your pile is ready. Let it get dry. And what we will do, we will come on another side and we will learn tricolor flowers, which we will decorate here. And a tricolor flowers. And now today, I will try to teach you clay flowers also and paper flowers also. And don't worry if you don't have colorful paper. है ना? We will simply take a drawing sheet or a paper you would be having. We will put our brush pen over and we will make it colorful. है ना? It's that simple. So it is going to be again a wonderful activity. And this way is one, and this is a small planter ready. If you will do nothing and you will keep it as it is, it's ready. And suppose you're taking a cap or a lid, which is almost of the same size, then nothing is needed and your planter or your pen stand is ready. You can put whatever you have. Many times we have brooches, we have clips, we have such amazing things which are broken and we don't know where to use. Pista shells we have. And you can use pista shells flour for making it looking beautiful. And so this, it's completely your choice. If you know how to make small tiny butterflies with paper craft, you can put it whatever craft you know, you can assemble it with it and you can make it looking great. Okay. So all of you finish this, and when you all will be completing it, then we will come on roses with clay. Okay, roses and leaves with clay, and yes, roses with paper also. Okay. Yes, so finish it very carefully with patience. And have you observed when you're doing clay work and when you're doing craft, your both hands are doing two different works, and you don't know even this is very challenging thing. You're doing two things with two different things with two hands. The both parts of your brain, they get activated when you do craft, and you are so focused when you cut, when you paste, and for little time your complete brain is focused on that particular activity. And slowly, when you do it on regular basis, you don't even realize that what magical impact this art and craft has contributed to your personality, your stability, your focus has been improved. है ना? And in our class, like as you're only listening, and listening improves your memory. And like in this time when on mobile, on like on one scroll, you can change the screen. In our classes, for continuously 1 hour, your brain is listening, your brain is working, absorbing, ears are listening, eyes are looking at material in front of you, and then hands are coordinating. Can you see so many sense organs are working together? And more sense organs in coordination, more brilliant and smart you are. This is again a great contribution of art and craft. Okay. So chalo, when you all will show your thumbs up, then and I will keep the remaining bangles on one side. We will definitely come up with more craft with waste bangles. है ना? So now for us, nothing is waste. We are going to reuse each and everything. Okay. So chalo, now what we will do, we will come on craft part. Finish this. When you all will show thumbs up, then only we will move ahead. Okay. Yes, I can see thumb down. I will wait. And I will start my story. Okay. So this is story of a colony where more than 15 houses were there. Okay, and children of different religion, they were living and they were having a park also. And near park, there was like near this colony, in walking distance, there was a slum area where children, they were not going to school. And and this colony was slowly becoming very dirty because people were not sensible enough. And that civic sense that you should throw garbage, you should segregate your garbage. And like, see, the support of uh, people is very important. If you really want to keep your environment clean and you simply think that this is responsibility of government or some municipal corporation and all, of course they are having major role. But yes, even we need to be very responsible for our garbage. And what happened here in this, all the children, they were playing in park, and people here, they were not segregating garbage. They were throwing litter anywhere, although vehicle was coming to collect the garbage door to door, it was visiting, but still people were like simply throwing garbage anywhere. And even in park, in corner, a heap of garbage and all. So this way, slowly there was litter everywhere in this colony. And all the children, they were going to Dadaji, like in this apartment in home when Dadaji was living. He was alone, and evening time used to be story time, and all children used to wait for this time when Dadaji will share a story. Acha, Republic Day celebrations preparations were also going on. है ना? Done, everyone? Please show your thumbs up. I will not ask you to show your structure because don't lift up this pasted one. And let keep it very carefully on one side, and let's come on our flower making. So first we will make a flower with paper. Okay? So chalo, let's make a middle flower with paper, and that is going to be of white color. So why I selected white? Because your paper is white, so you will not have to take do any color, and rest all both the flowers we can do with. So I will take white paper. Okay? Yeah. And what I will do, I will keep a colorful base below so that you can clearly see what I'm doing on white. I will keep all this aside, and this kind of arrangement always come on cake. See this happy birthday. You must have seen this. Even birthday candle. Half blown off and half is left. So this is amazing when you want to make birthday card. So this you can paste. It will not add 3D look in it, but yes, at the same time, we will be able to reuse this kind of way. When you throw it off, what it add? Um, it is non-biodegradable, so better to reuse it. Okay. Chalo. So now I will keep the structure for getting dry on one side. And first thing we will learn, and that is flower with paper. Okay? Yeah, flower with paper. So I will use colorful, this surface dark so that you can see how I'm making. So my middle flower, I want to make little bigger, and tricolor flowers as we are going to make. Make sure your arrangement and structure should be completely on each other. Okay, nicely arranged. And by the time our structure will also get dry. Ready? Shall we start? A piece of paper, you can take white piece of paper, and no need of colorful paper. Then what we will do? Saffron and green we will try to make with clay. Okay? Yeah. So what you will do? You will take a paper and we need a circle. So you will take a circle, and always when you want to make a cutout, don't try from center. Do start it from corner. What will happen? Your remaining paper will be saved. Okay? So you will take pencil, you will hold it tight, you will move it like this, and you will find a circle. So this is a sellotape circle. I will be making of this size, and I will be making a rose out of it. Come on. You all have done the structure of bangles? Huh? Pasting is done. Show your thumbs up. Yes? Okay, now keep it on one side. Those who are having 4 or 5 bangles, don't get disheartened. You can collect more bangles afterwards and you can make the it bigger. Okay? So you don't worry. And this, I can see Reyansh with that happy birthday. Yeah, you keep it properly because very soon we are going to cover up birthday card. In that we will use it. Normally after celebration we throw it off. है ना? Remaining candles also we throw off. And a small, but you can see those all can use for making a lovely birthday card. And these all leftover things of birthday will add a 3D look to your artwork. Okay, and let's start reusing this kind of stuff and make something meaningful, creative, which will save your money also. If you will prepare your card out of waste material, yes, of course, it is going to save your money. And I will suggest, like, now start with the trend of gifting a plant. And small planters you can make using this. And if you visit our YouTube channel, many planters out of waste containers, waste bottles, the videos are there, you can make that. So, chalo, now you will cut this circle round very carefully with scissors. Okay? With this ways, you will cut. And okay, this is the way you will finish your work. Okay? Yeah. And hopefully the dark surface, lower surface will help you understanding it better ways. Do you want closer view? Shall I give little closer view? Okay. So I will give little closer view. So that you can see it bigger, clear. Yes. Okay? So let's learn one flower, rose flower with this. And this rose flower which we are making with this small paper piece, you could have used if you have colorful wedding cards, greeting cards, you can definitely use it. But many of you would not be having, that's why I'm not using that. Otherwise, yes, of course, you can use this kind of paper. See, I have this beautiful, colorful orange paper. In Puja Samagri box, I got it. So you can use this kind of paper also for making flowers. And a saffron also we need. So try to see that what ways you can reuse waste stuff. So your circle is ready? Yes. While making it, I will continue my story also. Yes. So I am going to, we want tricolor scheme now. So our middle white color is going to be this rose. Okay. If you're making it green or orange, if you have that color available, accordingly you can shift. Now keep your pencil on any of the corner. Any corner. Suppose I selected this. And now start making spiral parallel line. Where you come for a circle, you will go inside and write 6. Okay, this is the way you are going to make a spiral shape. It will start from here. And when you feel that now it is going to get over, you will go inside and you will make a parallel. This kind of flowers you can make with paper plate. And a silver paper plate, white paper plates. Many times you have a party, samosa party or something. You can collect those plates and you can make big roses for birthday decoration. And any special occasion, stage decoration, you can make big, big roses, silver, white, and different colors. Okay, now what you will do? Done? Yes, all of you do this. This is the simple way of making rose. Okay. So by the time when you all are doing this, I will continue my story. So when Republic Day special activities were going on, preparation was going on, all children when they came in evening to Dadaji, they randomly asked, "Ki, Dadaji, today we want to know why we are celebrating Republic Day." Many times, like so many competitions of global warmings are happening, essay writing, drawing and painting. But many times children don't know what is global warming, what ways it is affecting complete environment. And I thought the crux we should know, the basic concept students should know. So these all children, they wanted to know why we are celebrating Republic Day every year. And so Dadaji told the complete story, the history. And it was Dadaji in beginning explained. And even I want to tell you that this is not a fake story, this is a real story. And Dadaji started from centuries back when India was a golden bird. Yeah, the name of India was Golden Bird. India was called Golden Bird because India was extremely rich and lots of treasure everyone was having. There was nobody poor. Everyone was having cows, buffaloes, lots of milk, curd, farms they were having so abundant of food, and everyone was having abundant of gold because India was very good at making metals, refined cloth, and spices were world famous. So India was very good in chemistry, physics, and this kind of things. And it was getting payment in gold. So everyone was extremely rich. Okay. And besides this, our education system, that is Gurukul system, it was so amazing and so wonderful, which was activity based and was working on foundation and skills of every individual. And I thought this ways India was extremely rich. Can I say this? You all have done this? Yeah, show me. Great. Now, very carefully try to understand. You will start cutting from the corner and you will keep moving your scissors this way. I will show you very carefully. Again, see, with one hand you are holding, one hand you are cutting. Normally, if you will try to do two things, two work with two hands, not possible. But see, in craft, you're doing it so easily. And craft is that way is very helpful. If you will take two pencils and will try to write two different things with two pencils, you will not be able to. And your both hands want to do the same work. But when your both hands are able to do another works, different works, that time your brain is extremely focused and on its extreme capacity. And that happens when you do drawing and craft. This ways, drawing and craft is extremely helpful for children. Okay, to see this ways, I completed and I went till center. Can you see? And you will find this kind of snake shape. This kind of snake. This is head, this is tail. Anna, come on. Cut it nicely. Now I'm going to teach you one. Anna, but if you want to make many, if you want to make a bunch of flowers, Anna, you can definitely make it. Okay, to see this is the way you cut and you will find this kind of coil kind of structure. Okay? Then we will learn rose with clay also. Yeah. Can I see how it turned out? Very good. Perfect. Okay, okay. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I will continue my story. Okay. I'll take a pause of few minutes so that you all can do. I will continue my story. So what happened then? Britishers, like many times Britishers, when they visit India, they were surprised to see the treasure. Like temples were extremely rich, people were extremely rich, and our education system, they were surprised to see it. And they, after looking at this prosperity, this treasure, they turned greedy. They wanted to take away all this treasure to their country. But how? They tried what we can do. So first, what they did, they enter as businessmen, as if they simply want to do business. Shivaji that time was very far-sighted and understanding their intention didn't permit. But afterwards, as other finally from other rurals, they got permission of doing business. So what happened? But their intentions were very evil. They were handful. They entered and they started looking at shortcomings. They were able to understand education system is very strong. First, we will have to collapse it. We will have to finish it. And then they started looking at shortcomings from where we can take benefit and take away all the treasure. And they find one shortcomings of us, and that is we were not united. We were having tendency of fighting with each other, and they took the benefit of the same. They took the policy, they implement the policy, uh, divide and rule. Okay, have you done? Show me now. Hopefully you all must have done. Yes, now very carefully. This is tail, this is head. And this is head. Now you take your tail, pick your tail and start making a roll out of it. Make a roll. Come on, roll, roll. Tail, you start rolling, and what will happen? You will slowly start coming to head. Come on, make it. And when you will slowly roll it, roll it, roll it, you will slowly start coming towards head. And see, I came towards head. This is head. Come on, do this. Okay. So this head is there and head is round. You can see this head is looking little round. So come on, do this. And you will start rolling. Now here I'm making one flower with paper and few flowers with clay. But if you feel that I want to make all three flowers with paper, you can definitely go with it. Okay, but here the combination will help you learning more. Like paper flowers also you will be able to understand. So this way is colorful paper, colorful wedding cards, and many times in magazine also, glossy magazine, we have colorful papers. You can simply take that cutting and you can use that for making collages and this kind of colorful flowers. Once you know that this is the way of saving environment and this way the waste can be reused, and you can use many of for making it. Done? Now this head we have, head, here you will put Fevicol. On head you put Fevicol. See that on head I put Fevicol. This head I put Fevicol, you can see from close distance. And what I will do, I will simply leave it so my flower will open again. And I will simply press it on head. Press it from upper side on head. Come on, do this. Okay. You will press it on upper side on head. And you will press it till it gets settled and your lovely rose is ready. So simple now. How beautiful. You can make bigger, smaller, as you wish. We took this size, because our that planter is not very big. Pen holder, you can call it as. One rose is ready. This is going to be the middle color of our tricolor. Okay, you will press it on head, and this is the way. You can make this using big paper plates. And if you have colorful sheets, glossy sheets, suppose you're taking a colorful magazine paper and you simply roll and want to make it. Yes, you can make colorful roses out of colorful magazine sheets also. So this is the magical part of it. Like, see, this is a magazine. If I want green color, so I can cut my green leaf from here. And it's a big, if I will cut a green circle from here, I can make a rose out of here. And so colorful magazines are, see, white, like we took white now. So we could have taken white from here also. And this piece of paper is white. If I want to make green, so I can cut little green from here. From here. This textured, I can cut a leaf from here. So in collage, what we do? In collage, we do the same. Yes. And this is the way gray color. See, it's such a lovely gray color, gray roses. Can you imagine? We can even take this text part and make a rose and it will turn up so well. So this ways you can start looking around at what ways you can use your colorful sheets for making. So chalo, our first flower is ready. Now show me your flower. Please lift up fives and show me your flower. Okay. Okay, you are If you want to ask something, Riyansh, please message. I will immediately reply. I will continue my story also. Okay? So what happened then? They immediately catch that weakness that they keep fighting, and they use the same method, divide and rule, and slowly they kept everyone engaged, even on base of religions and all different kingdoms and rulers. They make them fight, and what happened? As they were not united, their power, their strength get divided, and slowly they became the ruler. They rule us. Can you imagine? Not for 10 years, not for 20 years, not for 50 years. More than 200 years they rule us. They took away the whole treasure of India and left behind nothing but starvation and poverty. They destroy our Gurukul system. And the education system they launched, it was just for those made for servants, which still we are following. Gurukul systems, which we were having, they were completely based on skill. Now, fortunately, again, the education system is changing. Come on, show your flower now. I want to see. I'm eagerly waiting to see how it turned out. Okay, okay, okay. You were, Adrija, you can message me. You can message me if you want to ask something. Very good. And you can simply, when you want to paste, you can open it. So what will happen? It will reopen. And then when it is reopened, then you can paste. So we will be making one flower of this color and another flower we will be making with orange color. Okay? So because saffron, orange and green, this color scheme we want to follow. Okay? Yeah. And if you feel that you don't want to make clay flowers, or if you feel that you don't have clay, you can make all three flowers of the same color. Now we will take paper. Okay? And what we can do, we can simply fold it. Fold. So what will happen? You will find this kind of fold. Like this kind of fold, and it is 1.5 finger big fold. And we will make some leaves out of it. Okay, you can do one thing. You can cut the stripe out of it so that it will be very clear. You can take a stripe, you can cut, you can fold it this ways. And now we will make some leaves. Okay, come on. So fold it, and this flower we made. Let's learn some leaves with green color. And if you don't have green, it's okay, don't worry. You can use brush pens and you can color it green and it will become green color. Or you can, if you have any green thing available, you can find out green from there also. So they simply rule over us for 200 years. And then they started treating us like slaves. We were deprived of food, we were deprived of rights. And simply for saying Vande Mataram, they were keeping freedom fighters in jail and hanging till death. They very cruelly and like they were not at all kind, and they ruled us for more than 200 years. And finally, like after 200 years, and many people, they got united without being bothered about their own lives, and they raised their voice unitedly. And in Gandhiji's guidance, we did non-supportive, non-movement, um, non-supportive movement. Like we will not support you, we will not purchase your product. So slowly, at 15th August 1947, on this day, we were independent. But after that, we were not having our own rules, set of rules and regulations to conduct our country, for smooth functioning of our country. So we were having our own constitution. We were needing our own constitution that time. And then a few people who were very intelligent, their committee was made, and they worked hard. And after 2 years, more than 2 years they took, and then on 26 January 1950, our own constitution of free India was ready, in which all the rules were mentioned. And that day we celebrate as 26 January. Yes. And it came in force in 26 January 1950. This day, our own constitution, to which can govern our country, है ना, was, and all the rights, all the freedoms, and all duties were decided of all the citizens. Now, can you show the stripe? Yeah. Now, what you will do? You will make leaves. See, which side? See this joint part, है ना? From it will come this way. See, some small, some big sleeve. This ways you can make some leaves. So you are going to get 1, 2, 3, and 4 leaves. Okay? Yeah. And how will it be leaf? I will show you. When you will cut it, you will find a shape of leaf. I will show you so that you can understand. See, this is your leaf. Okay? This is going to be your leaf, and this leaf is going to be 3D in shape. So if you have green paper, you can definitely take that. Otherwise, you can color it green. So I will also color it green because many of you would not be having your colors ready. After this, we will come on clay. We will learn roses with clay also. And then we will assemble. And then a beautiful planter would be ready. Okay. See, I will color them green, and they will be green in color. So dark green, light green, as you wish. And I will take help of brush pens for making them green. Okay? Chalo. So light green, dark green, and you can try both the colors. I will simply, if you will go diagonal, it will look more better. And if you feel you want to add the texture of this kind, you can move diagonal. See this ways. It will look more beautiful. And make sure the surrounding also you will move. And nicely you can color them this ways. I will show. See, you will open it. You will first make a line in center, lines around. Okay, all around you will make lines. And then you can go for diagonal. Or any ways you want to fill, you can go diagonal. You will get a texture also. And if you don't want to do this ways, you can go sleeping and standing as you wish. Simply green color we want. So here you can see a center line, and if you are finding it difficult to make diagonal lines, simply color it. Okay. So don't worry if you are not able to do this way, simply make it flat and color it. And this is the way green leaves are ready. Okay. Some diagonal lines will add a texture of sleeping lines. And yes, this is the way it will be done. Okay? Yeah. So now we have a rose, and you will bend your leaves. Okay? So these are leaves. Now we will come on orange, and so we have orange color, and we have green leaves we already have. Okay, na? So this is the way our 3 colors will be done. Now we will learn one flower with clay. Okay, now how to make a rose flower with clay. This we are going to learn. And tricolor, when you want to connect it with our national theme, and a tricolor is best for that. So I will select this for taking clay. First, you all finish this, then I will take out clay of orange color, saffron color. Okay. So one after another. Yes, I will wait. I will wait. Okay, I will continue my story. So now all the children, this complete story is a flashback story. And Dadaji was telling, Dadaji told that so many, the only weakness we were having was, Aryash, please message me. I will immediately reply you. So all the children, they asked, what is mentioned in that book of Constitution? So Dadaji said, see, there everything, all rules and regulations are been made, and complete set of freedom, like what freedoms we have, what rights we have, at the same time duties. So children wanted to know it in detail. For example, Dadaji, our duties and our what do it mean? So Dadaji said, suppose you are having liberty of speaking. In time, that time, Britishers' time, we were not having this freedom also. And Jallianwala Kand there, because they were united and wanted to speak on freedom. So simply like countless of them were killed by General Dyer. When you will come in higher classes, you will study all this in history. है ना? So Dadaji said, but it is having duty also. What is the duty? Children asked out of curiosity. Dadaji told, duty is this, that you should be very humble. If you are having the right of and freedom of speaking, it doesn't mean you will speak anything which is very not which is not wise, and which is against or which is somewhere like provoking for against our country. So we are supposed to be, this is our duty, that we are supposed to be very humble and respectful. Same ways like you have right to travel, but your duty is that you should maintain neatness everywhere. And wherever you are going, taking care of people around and taking care of neatness, this is also our duty. So this particular line got stuck, that we are celebrating Republic Day every year, but are we actually taking care of this? That we should take care of we are cleanliness. At least this act we should do. And then all children, after listening this story, they gather in evening time, one day before 26 January, they gathered there and they took a decision. Next morning, they all told their moms that we are going to wake up early morning, put alarm. They all uh, get up early morning with their tools and weapons like broom and favra and all. Even the helpers of colony, Mali uncle and other helpers, they helped out and they started cleaning the ways. And one Prabhat Fairy with mythological songs. And they started cleaning. And then using waste stationery, they make pamphlets. Please segregate garbage, save water, reuse waste material. And don't throw litter here and there. Wait for vehicle to come. And it's our responsibility. This kind of messages were written. And on 26th January, after celebration, they reached home to home, the complete group of children. They gifted a plant, and they focused a lot on reusing things, repurposing things. In their colony, one craft teacher was living, and who was a nature lover. So when they all reached with this efforts, she praised like anything and gave suggestion. If you can collect garbage, which we can reuse and we can sell, we can collect money for good purpose, and we can contribute to that slum area where people are not going to school, and for something for them. So all children like this idea very much, and they started working on. And this kind of craft which we are making today, they start learning this kind of craft, collecting waste bottles and converting them in beautiful planters and all, selling them on special occasion, and they started collecting funds and giving it for that underprivileged children. Shall we start? Yeah. Now take out your orange color. Now we will come on clay flower. So chalo, let's make our clay rose. So you will take out your clay, and what you will do, remaining you will immediately pack. Because if air will go inside, what will happen? It will become solid. And now here what you will do, you will be making small and then little bigger, 4 little bigger, and biggest. Small, 3 are small, and this kind of, don't divide it into pieces. We will make that much you can take out. Okay? So don't divide it in pieces. Now the very first piece is going to be the smallest, and make a ball. So this much big ball. Now take out this much part of from clay and make this much big ball. Okay? I will place it on my hand. It will give you clear idea. Okay? Yeah. After this, the smaller pieces, you will make a ball and you will press. Okay? You will make a ball, you will press, you will make a ball and of the same size. So you try to make it of same size, little bigger or smaller, it's okay. Press. This kind of three petals. Come on. And it could be bigger, it could be small, it's okay. It's absolutely okay. Okay? Yes. And what you will do, you will keep your circle inside. From lower side, you will start pasting. Now, magic clay is having its natural glue. And so you don't need to put Fevicol and overlaps. Now, see, this is one. Now, this second petal will go behind. Overlap. Third petal will go behind. And this way is a flower. See, this in itself, it's a flower. But we will make more petals. And see, they all are pasted from lower side. If you want to give a shape, some curves to petals, you can. Any kind of shape. And now we will start with little bigger petals. This petal is going to be a little bigger. And before your clay get dry, you need to make your petals. And it should not be very big. And this is the way you will make slightly bigger than before. Okay? Three petals slightly bigger. And finally, three petals little more bigger. So gradually you can see the size of your petal is increasing. Now these petals, three petals are comparatively bigger. Can you see? And immediately, like I will do it again, the same procedure. I will put it this ways, overlap, another one, overlap, another one. And immediately the moment I will put, it will get pasted because it is having glue. Okay. And last but not the least, extremely big petals. You can either take your help of your surface, and you can make a roll out of it. And this time I'm going to make bigger petals and the saffron flower would be ready. Okay. And if you want to add more petals and want to make it quite big, you can. So three petals I add, and these are again going to be the same ways. The moment you will arrange it nicely, otherwise what will happen? After pasting, if you will try to rearrange now, it will not turn up well. And see, this is the way your, yes, see your rose is ready. Okay, your rose is ready. Simply pasting petals after petals. If you feel that you few petals you want to turn, and all of you see, just 1 minute you see, turn, and we need to be little quick here because if you will do your work very slow, so your first layer will get dry and, see, this is the way it will be done. And your saffron, white, and green is ready. Now it's time to assemble. Okay? Yeah. And immediately put cap, put a lock. Okay? So they started doing the same. And within guidance of one more social worker was there who was working for environment. He suggested that we can make compost with dry leaves. And we said this time, even though like he raised his voice against it, but nobody was ready to support. But now, when children come up with this complete responsibility, and they started collecting waste stationery, they started creating pamphlets for creating awareness. And one lady who was a tailor was running a boutique with leftover cloth, stitched lots of paper bags and gifted. When children, the group of children took the responsibility of spreading awareness, slowly the whole colony started changing. And by the time, see, this is also ready. Can you see? This is also ready. And now we are going to arrange it here. front view I will have to give. I will arrange it. You can do it pasting. Okay. So you can simply put little Fevicol. I will show the front view. I will paste and then I will give you front view. So saffron big flower, then the small flower and green leaves. And the leaves could be made with that also. But we simply selected this vase and see your beautiful. I will show the front view. Just a minute. Let me assemble. Then I will show you the front view. If you have some artificial leaves, many times it happen, na? You have some artificial leaves or waste arrangements at home. So you can, one side of leaf you will put it, one side of leaf, one side of leaf where you will put it now, you will be able to place it this way. I will show from front view. And this is the way it will be done. And see, this is our arrangement. Okay, this is our arrangement, which you can see from front view. Okay, a big flower, a small flower, and green. And we simply place. And although, like, if you want to make everything with clay, you can definitely do that. And your pen holder or a planter, whatever you want to put inside is ready. If you feel you want to use it as pen holder, you can simply put your colorful pens and it's ready. Okay. If you want to grow a plant, it's ready. And as the base is quite thick, you can simply pick it up. It's a beautiful planter with no efforts. And see here, three techniques and tricks we learn and see so many things we reuse. And this cardboard we used. And we used waste paper, waste bangles, and a meaningful, beautiful craft is ready. If you have any project best out of waste, you can definitely try this. And you can grow a planter. Suppose you want to grow a planter in waste small bottles of plastic, disposable bottles. You can cut it, you can fill water, you can go grow money plant or spider plant or any plant, and you can put it inside. It will become a planter. Okay, this is the front view. And now I will request moms to be with us. They will love to talk to you. Okay, yeah. Now I will keep it on the top, so that, and I will request my team to unmute moms one after another so that we can have feedback. So this is our craft today. And purpose behind covering up two different kind of flowers and leaves is so that you can understand it. Yes, I can see Sanvi Sharma. Sanvi Sharma's mom is there. Please try to unmute yourself, ma'am. And even Tuhina Vats. Please unmute yourself. Do you have your mom with you? And we have Sanvi Mishra's mom also. So, ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. And we will love to talk and have your feedback. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, ma'am. And you?
Yes, I'm also fine, ma'am. Ma'am, how was the class? Please do share your feedback.
It's so nice, ma'am. It's so attract. बहुत ही अच्छी लगी और मतलब एंजॉय कर रहे हैं बच्चे. अच्छा भी लग रहा है.
नहीं, बच्चे इस तरह से वेस्ट मटेरियल को सीखेंगे और कुछ क्राफ्ट ऐसा भी बनाएंगे जिसमें हमारे एनवायरनमेंट के लिए भी हेल्प हो. तो मैम मैं ये जानना चाह रही थी, जैसे ये काफी लंबा टाइम स्पेन था बच्चों के लिए, तो ये जॉयफुली कर पा रही थी या आपको पुश करना पड़ रहा था? ये बस एक जानना मैं चाहती हूँ कि ऑनलाइन क्लास में वो कनेक्शन.
नहीं, हेल्प जैसे पुश तो नहीं, उसको तो पसंद है, लेकिन ये ना जैसे हेल्प तो करना पड़ता है ना बच्चों के लिए थोड़ा बहुत कि नहीं ऐसे करो. बाकी तो वो अपने मतलब ये नहीं एंजॉय करके सेशन एंजॉय कर रही थी बहुत अच्छे से.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू सो मच मैम. प्लीज इनका पूरा हो जाए क्राफ्ट तो आप इनके साथ इनकी फोटो हमारे साथ जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा व्हाट्सएप पे और अपना फीडबैक भी.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I have Dakshita and Ishan. And please, moms, try to unmute yourself so that we can have word. Ishan. Thumke. Hello, ma'am.
Thank you for the craft class, ma'am. Yes, apart from the drawing class, they are more engaging. It is, yeah, as you asked the question, it is difficult to keep kids engaging for this class. You have to help little bit. He lost little focus when it comes for the cutting and folding things.
Okay.
He's saying that it is all for girls. You have enrolled me for this class.
No, beta, craft is for everyone. Craft is for everyone. As I told you, na, craft is helpful for improving your focus and memory and your creativity, inbuilt creativity. It is all about like this, the main intention behind is you can start observing creativity in all rubbish also. Many times the things which we think that of no use, you
ऐसे ही
can
कुछ इस पे
reuse.
सजा
Okay?
लो, उसको
So
निकाल
these
दो,
flowers and all will help you for project
reuse
making also. Show me your work.
उसको तो
Wow.
इसको इस पे कर लेती ना.
Wow, very good. Pink flower you tried. Very nice. Excellent. You really did it beautifully.
Yeah, definitely उसका हो रहा है.
Have to help him a little bit. There was no orange color in it. This was the best orange color that we could have it in the dry clay.
It's okay, but it's looking great. Lovely output.
Yeah.
Okay, so Ishan,
Thank you.
this will be helpful for you also. Suppose you are participating in best out of waste competition. So there even you can. This fold and this all is for everyone, all children. Okay, and you did excellent work. Now after this, you will get the recording and try it independently, and you will be able to cut and fold yourself also. And try one more time. Okay.
इसको ही बना लेता ना तो सारी.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. I will request Dakshita, Divyanka Jain, Anvit, and we have lovely moms. Please try to unmute yourself. Please mute yourself.
Hi, ma'am. Yeah.
Hello,
This is
ma'am.
Dakshita mom here.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Yes, how are you? Yeah, I'm also good.
Good,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank
So
you.
this is really good. We didn't expect this much. This activity is really helpful for them. And based on the Republic Day event that will be happening tomorrow, right? So based on that, you are providing an excellent craft today. So really, everyone is happy about this, and definitely we will look forward for the other activities too soon. So this is the first activity with your organization. So we'll expect more on upcoming.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. And please do share your feedback on WhatsApp and with the output in child's hands. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
I will request Divyanka Jain and Anvit Gupta. Please try to unmute yourself. Yes, Divyanka Jain and Anvit Gupta.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
All good, ma'am. Hope all good at your end.
I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, ma'am. She's been enjoying your drawing classes and the art classes, like craft and all. She's learning a lot, and her concentration level is also improved.
Okay. So you are able to see this change in concentration
Yes.
after it.
Yes. And she's doing it all by herself.
Wow,
Very
that's
rarely, like just for today's class, she's called me up, Mama, rose nahi ban raha, kaise banega? Is
okay.
cutting and everything is what she's done.
Wow.
So
So
she's doing it well.
wow. Divyanka, you try it one more time. Divyanka is your name or child's name?
Devyanka is my child's name. Her name.
Divyanka, you try the rose one more time. Okay. Right now you took little help, but don't worry if you feel that cutting is not proper. Keep trying on rough papers, and you will learn this quickly. It is going to help you for so many. Like in school, any kind of card making competition is there. Vandan bar making competition. So this kind of fold is going to help you there also. Okay. So after class, you can take some rough pages and you can practice whenever you have free time. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Please do share your feedback on WhatsApp too. Yes. I will request Anvit Gupta.
Yes, hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
Fine. It's really amazing. I'm blessed to be part of you. My child is doing so very nice.
Arre wow, so beautiful.
Yeah, he likes your art classes also. He's always excited, ma'am. Mom, I don't want to miss ma'am's class. Please, please. I have to be ready for that. That's very amazing. See, he's interested in all your classes.
And that's why, Anvit, you are able to create such masterpieces. This craft is looking so beautiful with big
He
roots.
also follows all your instruction. Means you told him to give plants to on birthday party, and he is not ready to order any gift. He wants to give only plants.
Yeah, I'm so happy and proud, Anvit. Yeah, I'm really proud of you because you are going to be that soldier. Somebody will have to start and come up with standalone spirit, and I'm so happy you are going to be the one. Ma'am, I will request you to please support so that we can actually change the society.
Yeah, sure.
We can see
Right.
what is happening around, and they are the one who will actually change the universe. I have complete trust in my children.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am, please do frame your complete journey nicely, and especially about plants. I really wish that all students should come up with this kind of, and this even parents should support so that slowly we can make this world better place, especially for upcoming generation.
Yeah,
And because for them, what we are going to leave behind, we need to think heaps of garbage, and there is no underground water, polluted air. So this is our responsibility to support them if they are moving towards this direction. Anvit, I'm proud of you. I'm so happy that you are so sincerely absorbing the instructions. I'm really proud of you. Very good, my dear. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, and please frame your complete journey with Arjio.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And I will request Prisha saying work is still on. I can see a beautiful stand with bangles. It's clearly visible. Wow. In itself, it's looking so pretty. So lovely. So lovely. Amazing planter. Very good. Please share about your journey, your experience. Prisha Singh. Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. She is enjoying a lot with your craft and art classes.
And this is really a wonderful craft you created. You can either keep a planter or you can simply make it as pen holder. It's lovely. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And ma'am, please let me know that are they enjoying, it's a big span of time. They have to sit and listen to the instruction. So joyfully they are doing?
Yes, ma'am. She enjoyed your stories as well.
Okay,
And her concentration in the past 10 to 12 classes, pre plus we have joined the new batch from 5th January. Her concentration is also improving.
Wow, this is something I'm very happy to know about. Ma'am, please do share this also on WhatsApp. Because
Sure,
many parents, they are so much confused about that in online class, will child be able to learn?
Yes, ma'am.
And what kind of results child could get. So hopefully your experiences will give clarity to other parents also.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Thank you so much. And you did
I will
excellent
surely
work, Prisha.
share.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Please do it.
Thank you,
Prisha,
ma'am.
this is
Thank you so
excellent work. Okay. Anvi Reddy and Amira Arora. Yes, please try to unmute yourself. Amira Arora and Anvi Reddy. Hello, ma'am. Please try to unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, actually, yesterday was the first demo class.
Okay.
And today is this class, and she is trying best. She's not able to do much, but she tried.
But these are praiseworthy efforts. Like so beautifully
I've
she made
shared
file.
yesterday drawing with you on WhatsApp also.
Okay, so yes, I cleared all the reviews. Hopefully, you must have got the feedback also.
Yes, ma'am, I have got. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, Amira, this is amazing work. The pile of bangles you made so neatly and beautifully. And somewhere, if you are getting stuck now, you have recording always with you. And
Yes, ma'am.
keep
Yes,
trying.
ma'am.
You did excellent work, ma'am. What was your experience in demo class of drawing?
Ma'am, it was good. Ma'am, it was good. She was actually, this is the first class, na? So she was little bit worrying and some words are not able to reach her. But I'm with her, so I'll tell her.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. And you will see slowly, within few classes only, she will be able to do it independently.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I got. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. And please do
Thank
share
you,
your
ma'am.
experience on WhatsApp also.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. I can see Chehek Sahu and Anvi Reddy. Anvi Reddy, please unmute yourself.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, fine, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, we are very happy, ma'am. I mean, she's enjoying the classes and she's always regular to your classes, ma'am. And it's been long time. We are in the 6 to 7 pre-junior batch as well. And
Okay.
her drawing and craft skills has improved a lot, ma'am.
Ma'am, one more thing I want to ask about, because many parents, they always have this confusion. Like,
Okay.
definitely you also must be having this doubt that in online class my child will be able to learn or not, and
Yeah.
will she get the instructions? So what is your experience regarding that?
For me, this is the best class ever, ma'am, because she is enjoying each and every bit, and even you are explaining with a clear instructions like how to draw. If suppose there is a face, you will instruct draw a circle, then rub the corners and all those things, and they are very easy for the kid to follow as well, ma'am.
Okay, so you find it meaningful, like child is learning right from
Yeah, ma'am.
basics.
It's very appropriate to their age. Even such small kids can follow all your instructions, and it's really useful for kids, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so
And
much,
because
ma'am.
of the class, she's also participating in drawing competitions in her school as well.
Arey
So
baat.
we are happy with the class, ma'am.
Wow, thank you so much, ma'am. And ma'am, please do share your experience
Yeah,
your,
sure, ma'am.
on WhatsApp also. We have our website also ready for this was a New Year gift. She can
Okay.
make her web page also there, profile also there.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you, ma'am.
you.
Thank
And
you.
now I will request Chehek Sahu and Shravani is also. Yes, then we will switch on to Shravani.
He
Yes.
might this ma'am today.
Wow, very good. Again, a beautiful work, lovely output. Check.
Yes, ma'am. She's very
Yes.
happy.
Yes.
Always,
Now
ma'am.
you
बहुत
are going
एक्साइटेड रहती मैम आपकी क्लासेस को अटेंड करने के लिए
और बहुत क्रिएटिवली नीटली ये सारे क्राफ्ट बना रहे हैं। आपके पास एक पूरा एग्जीबिशन रेडी हो जाने वाला है क्राफ्ट का
yeah ma'am I have so many things
now you can start gifting it too है ना
yeah.
You can use this as planter on special occasions, nothing from market, now
Yeah.
everything handmade. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you
ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
I will request Shravani also to unmute yourself. Shravani, hello ma'am. Shravani and Parnika Johari also. Then we will turn on to you. Please try to unmute yourself. You both have spotlight. I think some technical problem
Hello,
you're
ma'am.
facing. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. Thank you so much for such a creativity for the kids. And I want to share this is the first class of Parnika Johari for art craft. So she had
Okay.
attended the art earlier classes, and she insisted me to do all on his own,
Arre वाह.
all on her own.
Arre
So
वाह. So beautiful. Very good. Wonderful efforts, Parnika. I'm very happy. And this
she
determination
enjoyed
of
a lot.
yours. Acha. And this determination that I will do it myself. It really
Yeah, she did.
impresses
She
me.
just said, "You sit near me, but I'll do." Even petals, rose, she did everything on own, cutting and everything.
And she did really wonderfully. And hopefully this
Yeah,
will
and
help
just in
children.
a half hour of time, I arranged the things and she did, "No, I will do." I said, "No, we are not having everything." She did no. She said, "No, Mama, I want to do whatever there is
Wow.
available."
Okay,
So she,
that's amazing. That's really amazing and praiseworthy.
thank you
Ma'am,
so much.
I want to know this also, ma'am. Like she's taking a regular class also, na? Regular
No,
classes?
yet now she has not started because of her exam. Earlier she was taking.
Okay. So, ma'am,
So
I
she
just
will
want to
start
know.
soon.
Acha, I want to know that as far as the instructions are concerned, are the instructions clear for children in online class? This
Yes,
is a
ma'am. She always, I never sit by her. She understand everything and she do it on alone. So it seems she is getting everything clear, all the instructions. That independently she is attending.
wow, that's amazing. Panika, your friend is waving her hand. Check. Okay, ma'am, Shavni, ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your lovely
Thank
feedback.
you.
Please try to share it on WhatsApp also. And Panika, excellent. Keep it up, okay? Shavni, please, ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. No, ma'am, you are not audible. I think some technical problem. Advika Sahu. Advika Sahu, please try to unmute yourself.
Hi,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am. Hello, how are you, ma'am?
We are both fine, and we are really thankful to you for making occasional wise craft.
Thank you
She's
so much.
means this time on Republic Day, you have made this tricolored beautiful pot,
Thank you
and
so
really
much.
this kids enjoyed a lot.
Wow, that's really amazing that, and this way they will start looking at garbage also. Arey wow, it's so amazing.
Yes, ma'am.
Outstanding.
Yes,
Lovely.
ma'am.
Very good.
Always,
And
ma'am, she is having the habit of having she enroll one or another class. She continues for 1 month and she left. Means earlier that guitar class is there, then piano class is there, then drawing class was there. This is the first class she is continuing for means last 2-3 months.
okay, that's really amazing. And
Yes, ma'am.
Advika, this is because you have artist in you. And this is all, and this masterpiece which you created, this all is because that hidden artist in you and your devotion and hard work. So, my dear children, this is blessings of Almighty God. This creativity is blessings of Almighty God. Keep nurturing it. You are amazing. Okay,
Yes.
ma'am. Please do share your journey on Arju also. That
Yes,
like
ma'am.
she's because it will give you clarity to other parents also. Like new parents, they are confused. Online
Yes,
will
ma'am.
change. Children be able to learn or will get instruction.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this your experience will definitely give clarity to them.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, sure. I will.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
And Advika, you did excellent work. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I will request Saujanya Kapa. Please try to unmute yourself. Saujanya. Hello, ma'am. Okay, this is Amma Faisal. Amna Faisal. Please, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
जी यस
हाँ नहीं आप हिंदी भी बोल सकते हैं मैम आप क्या मैम आपको क्लास कैसी लगी
गुड बहुत अच्छी थी
अच्छा
बहुत
ओके
बढ़िया
ओके ओके आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा है ना
जी जी जी
हाँ थैंक यू और ये सौजन्य का आप मैं आपका क्राफ्ट देख पा रही हूँ आई कैन सी योर क्राफ्ट इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल प्लीज ट्राई टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ टेल योर ममा टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ not able to okay so I think some technical issue ma'am please try to unmute yourself Saujanya Kapa. I think some technical problem we are facing. Okay. Yes. By the time we can talk to Kundana. Kundana, Sneha. Hello. Yes, my dear. Is your mom available?
Ma'am, my grandmother is available.
So we can talk to her also. How was okay, if she's away from you, it's okay. You can also share your experience. Kundana?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So you enjoyed the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And got the instructions? Instructions were clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's okay. Don't trouble her if she's far from you. It's okay. We again have Shravani. Please, ma'am, try to unmute yourself. We'll love to have your feedback. Achintya. Okay, I think some technical issue we are facing. You're not able to unmute yourself. Achintya. And I think it's a big span of time students are with us. Now, after this, we will wind up. And thank you so much, wonderful parents, for being with us. Lovely, creative students for being with us. And now, hopefully, this craft will help you, converting your waste bangles, karas, and this kind of rolls, which are left over. And you will be able to make something amazing and outstanding. Okay, Achintya, grandmother is there. Try to unmute yourself, ma'am. आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए. I think some technical problem we are facing, I think. So, chalo, it's okay. So, thank you so much, everyone, for being with us. Lots of blessings. And do share your experience and your photo with you, with craft in your hands. Okay, take care. Bye-bye. Lots of blessings. This is the final output. Okay, take care. Lots of blessings.